I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, decide which Linux distribution you will install and download a 64-bit ISO file. Next, choose a virtualizer application such as VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player. Verify your host has at least 8 GB RAM and enough disk space for images and snapshots. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization if it is disabled. Prepare Install Media by saving the ISO to an accessible folder on your host computer. Open your virtualizer and click to create a new virtual machine profile. Select Linux 64-bit as the guest type and assign 4 GB RAM with 2 vCPU. Create a new virtual disk with 40 GB capacity and choose dynamically allocated storage. Attach the downloaded ISO to the VM optical drive on the IDE or SATA controller. Start the VM, boot the installer, and complete installation by setting locale, user account, hostname, and partition choices. After the installer finishes, remove the ISO and reboot into your new Linux guest. Install guest editions or VMware tools for better graphics, clipboard, and shared folder support. Update the system with the package manager and enable automatic security upgrades when available. Configure networking by choosing NAT, bridged, or host-only mode and assign a static IP if required. Enable SSH server for remote access. Create a snapshot or checkpoint and document credentials and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.